in Huntsville. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County of north central Alabama, Limestone County of north central Alabama, western Madison County of north central Alabama until 2:30 a.m. At 1:28 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northwest of Athens to near Trinity, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazards are 60 mile per hour wind gusts and sources from radar. Impact: this could cause damage to roofs, buildings, and trees. The severe thunderstorms will be near Decatur around 1:35 a.m., Hartselle around 1:40 a.m., Priceville, Ardmore, and Tanner around 1:45 a.m., Harvest around 1:50 a.m., Triana and the Huntsville International Airport 1:55 a.m., Redstone Arsenal, Hazel Green, Marshall Space Flight Center, and the University of Alabama in Huntsville around 2:05 a.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Lakin, Good Springs, Laketown, Valamosa Springs, Basham, Florette, Somerville, Mooresville, Elkmont, and Ava. For your protection, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of your building. And repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 2:30 a.m. for Morgan County, Limestone County, and western Madison County of north central Alabama.
He did his best.